My AC wasn't cooling as well, and I knew it was a time for a deep clean. That's when I found Servespace. I booked an AC cleaning service through the app, and the whole process was super easy. Their team came right to my home, and after a thorough cleaning, the difference was immediate. Cooler air, fresher atmosphere, and overall, better performance. If your AC needs a refresh, trust Servespace. The convenience of doorstep service, expert cleaning, and easy to use app makes it all effortless. So, book your AC cleaning with Servespace today and enjoy a cooler, fresher home.